Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I made Pokpok wings. The ingredients are listed below. Start by making garlic infused water by combining the two ingredients and letting it sit for 5 minutes. Then add equal parts of fish sauce and sugar, then stir it, and strain the garlic infused water. Make sure to squeeze the garlic to get more of the juice. Then stir it again, and then prepare your chicken and marinate it for at least 4 hours or overnight. After marinating, strain the chicken and reserve the marinade. Then prepare your breading by combining cornstarch and rice flour and mixing it. Then make sure to coat all the parts of the chicken. Then fry the chicken for at least 8 minutes to 10 minutes until it's golden brown. Now to make the glaze, in a pan, put the marinade and make sure to let it boil until it becomes a caramel consistency, and then toss the chicken and make sure to cover all the sides of the chicken with a glaze. And before serving the chicken, make sure to put roasted garlic, cilantro, and that's it. Enjoy!